Hello and welcome to Development Days. In the continuation of previous video, we will today understand how to rotate an array using while loop. So you can see a program which is written over the screen. Now we will understand how we have went to a solution using while loop. You can see as per our question, one array has been given whose indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And length is what will be its length? Its length will be 7. Now we will follow this method to rotate an array. For that, for the rotation of array, we will transfer array length and distance. Here we are taking one start variable in which we are keeping 1 as a value. You can see this. And then later on we are proceeding to while loop. In while loop, what is the condition which is passing? Start means 1 is less than equal to d, which is 2. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So we will proceed it to next line, and the very next line is end. And at the end, what value we have to keep? Array of 0. Okay. What is the array of 0? It is 1. So we are going to keep the value as 1. Now we will proceed into the for loop. What is the for loop? I is kept as 0 and 0 is less than length minus 1, which is 6. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So what it will do? It will transfer ith value to the ith element. And how many times it will do? It will do length minus 1 time. Means this value has been kept into the in the end, and the rest other value will be shifted towards its left till the current value has been not came. Let me create one more array in which I will keep the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, this has kept into 1. It is empty now. So, all the elements will be moving to its left. So, how it will be, our new array will be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be empty. For this for is completed for one iteration, for one complete iteration. And what we are going to do now, end value will be stored into length minus 1. End value what it is? It is 1 will be stored over length minus 1. What is length minus 1? This is 6. At the sixth location, what it will be stored? 1 will be stored. Now, what I have to do? Start plus plus. Okay. Start is 1. It has been incremented to 2. Now, again we will, this has completed. Now again I have to come to the while loop. For while, what is the condition? Start is 2 less than equal to 2. The condition is true. What I have to do? At the end, we have to put the 0th location value, which is 2. Now 2 has placed over here. Now what again we have to do? We have to again and again shift all the value to its left. So the new output will be by the shifting is done by for loop, as you can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And you can see at the last, whenever this for loop is ending, end value will be stored at length minus 2 location, length minus 1 location, which is this. Now start will be plus plus, it is 3. Now again it will come to while loop, which is 3 is less than equal to 2, which is false. So this while loop is also ended. Now this is the system for printing the value, whatever it is. And you can see over here, this was the expectation from our array. You can see this was our output which we were expecting to be a solution, right? I hope this program you have understood clearly. For that, you need to write a pseudocode. If you are able to write a pseudocode for this particular program, be sure that you have understood all the problems, all the array problems, majorly whatever array will come in nearly future, you will be able to solve all these kind of problems. Also, if you are able to write correct pseudocode, then believe me, half of your problem have been solved over the writing pseudocode itself. Let me come to one more algorithm, which is reversal algorithm. What is reversal algorithm? You need to understand the pseudo. Here you can take a help of what exactly the pseudo is. What we are going to do, we are first going to take a modulus of distance. Let's suppose our distance was 2, and the modulus of t modulus n is equal to value of modulus. So measure mostly the value will be t itself, right? Then reverse array by dividing into three parts. And why we have taken this particular modulus to make a value to find the value mid of that value. Mid in the sense the distance of that particular value. So now what I have to do? I have to I have to try to reverse the I have to try to divide that array into three parts. This is in place reversal algorithm. In the same array, you will try to reverse all the content. First, first reversal will be done from start to d minus 1, means 0 to d minus 1, which is 0 to d minus 1, which is 1. Okay. Second one will be d to 2 to and minus 1, which is 6. Then 0 to and 0 to length. Right? What it will give, you can see in the previous. First will give you the value 2 1. Second reversal will give you 6 4 5 4 3 2 1 3 2. And then when we will try, then you will do this iteration, then it will give you complete output. Here you can see this was our expected result post third iteration. Your problem has been solved. Now let's look into the code how we are going to do that. First, this is the main program. What we have done over here, we have created one array. Let me create that array for you. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's suppose 6 it is. I am ignoring this. What will be the index? 0 1 2 3 4 5. What is d? D is equal to 2. Length is equal to n is equal to 6. 6 value is there. 0 to 5 it is 6. Now what is new d? New d will be d modulus n. 2 modulus length is 6, which is 2. So it has been value has been placed over in new d. Now we have to call reverse array method. In that we have to follow the array start value and new d minus 1. What it will give? It will do the first iteration. First iteration it will do. How it will do? 0 in the sense this value up till d minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is this, will be reversed. How you will do the reversal? You can swap it. How you will swap it? Keep this value into 1. I will show you the swapping method as well. It has written into the code. And then you can put this value over here too. And then again this value, this is empty now. Now you can place 1 over here. You can get the first iteration by using this swap. Again, come to the second iteration. What is the second iteration? New d till n minus 1. If this half is done, now we have to do the second half. How it will be done? Take it into the temp. Let's suppose this is temp. Take 3 into temp. Put 6 over here. Again proceed with this. 3 has been placed over here. 4 will be placed over here. Now, sorry, 5 will be placed over here. 4 will be placed over here. You can see 6 5 4 3. This is also sorted. Now what is this? This is the second iteration. Okay. Now we will come to third iteration. Will be from starting to end. Now currently what array we are having, which is 2 1 6 5 4 3. Now what I have to do? I have to keep this into the temp. Let's suppose I am taking a temp. This has been taken into the temp. Now 3 will be shifted to this place. 2 will be shifted to the end place. Now 1 will be taken over this place. 4 will be placed over here. 1 will be placed over here. Now sorry, 6 will be placed over here. 5 will be taken to this place. Now 6 will be taken to this place. Was this our expected output? Yes, it is. You can see printing array has been called. You can see this is the swapping method. How we have done. We have checked first while loop that start is less than end. If it is correct, then the value of start will be kept into 10. Just remember this reversal logic, swapping logic. Actually, it is a swapping logic. Why I'm asking you to memorize it or remember it? Because many of the times you will require this. Let's suppose you want to swap only two element of starting. What you can do? You can follow the swapping method. It will give you reversal. Let's suppose anyone ask you to reverse only last two element. So you know the swapping method. You can use it by with the help of this reversal array, right? This can help you into understanding all these concepts. So now this you can see it is a printing logic. How you know? You know for loop what how to print a uh, array. You can get over here. So this was all about the reversal algorithm. This all three techniques whatever I have told you this will help you nearly in future not only for arrays, for string as well, for many other algorithms and data structure which we are going to learn. Do not hesitate to ask questions. First thing, second thing, try it by yourself. If you have any doubt, just again revisit to the video. You will get all your concepts clear. I am pre-assuming that you are aware of basic knowledge of any language. And I have written this code into Java. If you have understood the pseudo code, if you have understood the swapping algorithm, that swapping algorithm can be written into C++ or Python or JavaScript in any other language. So here, what is very important that is understanding the pseudocode of particular program. Also, no one is perfect in anything. Just you have to follow the basic. If you have followed the basic, you will surely master in anything. First, let's master arrays. Then we will, as per I have shown you that roadmap for that data structure and algorithm, we will do one by one each and everything. And at the end of this series, you will be so much confident that I can promise to crack any of the interview which comes in your way. Try to grab this knowledge, try to work hard at your own level, try to replicate these problems over your system. Thank you and have a nice day.